Hello everyone, welcome to another Backroad Drive with Backroad Driver. Today we are in Williston, Florida on Northwest Highway 320. We are going eastbound, and just for reference, this is roughly 20 minutes south of Gainesville and about 40 minutes north of Ocala. Alright, we'll be leaving the exact coordinates of this run in the description below, so if you're in the area and you want to check it out, feel free to do so. As far as the road itself, it was very enjoyable, even though it's relatively short. As you can see here, less than 6 miles, about 7 minutes from start to finish. But the corners, especially in this last section here, they flow very well. And at the beginning, the first two straights, they're not as bad as you think. But anyway, here's a run. Check it out. So that was it, guys. That was today's drive. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like. If you want to see more back road drives, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date with the latest drive. Remember, I do leave the coordinates to all my drives in the description below, so if you're nearby and you want to check it out, go ahead and click the description box below. See you guys on the road.